Hi, my name is Alyssa Carrillo, and I will be portraying Florence Nightingale in a self-written monologue called Stone of Stumbling. Miss Bridgman, I do not like you here as much as you like me here. I believe the only rational way we can go about things is if you have the Irish nurses put under my authority. I have not only transformed this hospital, I've ran it much longer than you have. Miss Bridgman, you must reconsider. I was promised that all nurses would be put under my authority, and it worked out rather smoothly. I was promised that my authority would not be questioned, and then you showed up. When I arrived, soldiers were sleeping in their own blood and feces. Rats and spiders moved across the floor as if it were their own home. Linens were unwashed, and there was no clean water in sight. That second, my nurses went to work. We washed the linens, scrubbed the floor till our hands were red and blistered. Can you imagine the conditions I arrived to? These soldiers had not heard from their families, so my nurses and I wrote to every single soldier's loved ones. God gave me the strength to offer a smile and a hand to hold to these soldiers. He gave me the strength to walk these hallways every single night. And Lord knows the toll that would take on someone. Men aren't supposed to suffer, and God gives nurses to relieve that physical suffering. The only thing that keeps me going is knowing that these men are getting stronger. I led my nurses fair and strong. Miss Bridgman, you must reconsider. I will lead your sisters fairly, and I welcome any opinion on any matters. Do I need to remind you of the contract you signed, submitting to my authority? I did not hope I would have to force you and your sisters to work under my direction. I hoped you would come to that on your own. You refused us. You yourself dissolved the connection. Have a good day, Miss Bridgman. Thank you.